Trust.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Good afternoon to you, everybody. Here's a look at what's coming up in your weather headlines. We are looking at scattered showers continuing ahead for this evening, and could see some patchy fog rolling in as late as around late tonight, around midnight through the first part of tomorrow. Looking at mostly sunny skies for the rest of the day tomorrow, but we are looking at rain returning for the start of the week, but the weekend won't look too bad. Maybe a few spotty showers here and there on tomorrow into Saturday. Temperatures a little bit warmer in the low to mid 80s getting up to Saturday, but otherwise things are going to be fairly quiet for the weekend. We're looking at just some spotty showers here in the central New York area, mainly to the south of Utica, but otherwise that's all we're going to be seeing today. A lot of cloud coverage and just some spotty showers continuing throughout the area. Looking at temperatures currently around the region, 85 over in Albany there, but mostly everybody's in the mid to upper 70s, 73 over to Postum, but otherwise temperatures really not too bad, at least right now it is. But otherwise, looking ahead at the next 10 days, temperatures are going to remain above average just by a little bit, mainly in the upper 80s through this weekend. And even for the start of the week, looking at temperatures close to 90 degrees on Tuesday. But we are expecting a cold front to move through the middle of next week. That's going to bring us back to normal for at least a few days. But getting into next weekend, looking at those temperatures back on the rise. And I mentioned the rain chances is going to be on the lower side, at least for the next few days, talking maybe about a 25% chance for today and really the rest of the weekend. But Sunday, not expecting that much, but as we get into the first part of the week, rain chances are back on a rise, right around 60% for Monday, really through Wednesday, and even a 40% on Thursday. So we are looking at some more rain returning really Sunday night into Mondays, looking at those rain chances really picking up. But here's a look at the rest of the night, and for tomorrow, looking at clouds hanging out for the first part of the day, maybe some patchy fog across the area, right around 71 degrees. But as we get the day going, you can see those skies are trying to clear up just a little bit. Maybe some isolated to scattered showers for the first part of the day, but as we get the day going in the afternoon, we'll see those skies start to clear up and have plenty of sunshine for our Friday afternoon, highs in the 80s. And then as we get into Friday into Saturday, we're looking at mostly clear skies for Friday night and Saturday, lows in the upper 60s. And then Saturday, we're looking at more of those scattered showers starting to develop on and off here, but as we get into the afternoon, it's just going to clear out a little bit, highs in the upper 80s. So like I said, not looking at rain all day, every day this weekend, but we do have periods of rainfall expected over the weekend, and the 7-day rainfall average maybe an inch up to an inch and a half out towards the west between Watertown and Syracuse, maybe about an inch here in Utica, and expecting a half inch over to the eastern part of the area. Lows for tonight, though, going to be right around 70 degrees for most of us. Like I said, we are expecting some foggy conditions out there, and winds light from the east about 5 miles an hour. And for tomorrow, really much of the same, mostly sunny skies with some few isolated to scattered showers throughout the day tomorrow, but otherwise temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. 7-day forecast keeping temperatures in the upper 80s through the next week.
Thanks, Darius. The Munson Arts Festival starts this weekend, and volunteers have started to clean the streets up for the annual event. Stay with us.